of a weapon, you've worked out an agreement that they're offering you a 1-year deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation that if you complete it successfully, you do not end up with a conviction on your record, but you need to know that you give up almost every right known to man entering into this agreement with me. And if you fail to live up to your side of the agreement, we will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. I'm going to bring you back out in orange, like you've seen all the orange people come out here. And we're going to talk about how much time you're going to be doing. You need to understand that if you violate this probation, you could be doing upwards of an entire year. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
What you need to do to complete this successfully, you must do a gun safety class, a TRAS to see what other conditions you may need. You must fulfill any conditions that they assess, 10 hours of community service, and forfeiture of the weapon. Is this how you understand it? I will make you a deal. If you do well, you do not test positive for anything, you get your classes done quick, I'll take you off in half the time. I took someone else off here 2 hours ago. I cut them loose in half the time because they did great. In fact, it was the same exact case. It was another unlawful carrying of a weapon. So if you do well, we will reward you. You don't need to spend the whole time. But that means you have to be nice to everybody and do what you need to do. Can you get it done? You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you enter into this agreement, you are stuck with me until you violate it or you complete it successfully. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, sir? I will not find you guilty. I'll withhold it for an entire year. Like I said, get it done quick, take you off. Now. Okay.
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you. This is Joe Robert Battaglia. You've seen him for a drug test. I've been appointed to represent him, but I will.
Okay.
He tested positive THC, which he admitted.
What are you doing with yourself these days?
What do you mean?
Are you working? Are you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm working.
Are you working?
I do DoorDash, I do Lyft, and
Right, he had told me that, I forgot. So I'm going to drug test him a lot.
Okay.
He's been using opiates, and I want to make sure that he's not using any opiates at all.
Okay.
I want to drug test you like crazy within the next week or two. And I want you to understand that you're not to use any illegal substances.
Yes, sir. Is there any way to I can get a class or something substance abuse? I can get some help on it. That's what I really want.
I don't have anything yet until you accept some kind of plea bargain like probation or anything like this. I don't have anything now, but there are things that you can do like Narcotics Anonymous where you talk to other people. There are other outpatient, and I can have you meet with Shatori so we can figure something out for you.
Sir.
Don't use mind over matter.
Sir.
If you get the feeling that you want to use, you have to reach out to someone like at a Narcotics Anonymous or an AA, and they can talk you through it so that you don't use. But I'm telling you, the next time you use, you will stay with me in custody. And you've got 2 cases. So your bonds are going to be at least 10 to 15,000 if I revoke your bonds.
Sir.
If you don't have anyone to make them, you're going to be sitting in there for a long time.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
So the magistrate put a GPS device on him.
I already have a ankle monitor on, sir.
Probably so that he wouldn't go near the complaining witness. That's what I would suspect. All right, I'll take it off. Okay,
Sir.
But if, like I said, if I find that you're becoming a problem, first I'm going to put you in jail. The next thing I'm going to put that thing back on you.
Yes, sir.
Choose no drugs, no alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Contact with the complaining witness.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm bringing him back next week.
Short
We're going to
recess,
test
Judge?
again. Yep, very short.
Week 2,
A week.
a week.
Yeah.
Okay, next week? Okay, no problem.
Okay. Good luck, guys. Good luck with your trial.
Yes, sir.
Carl, did you get anyone else? Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
I don't even know.
Ay, ay, ay.
I don't even know.
Okay, so it says here that you are wanted you are wanted out of Pennsylvania for rape, forcible compulsion, rape of an unconscious victim, sexual assault, aggravated indecent assault without consent, aggravated indecent assault with forcible compulsion, another aggravated indecent assault, complainant is unconscious or unaware that PE, indecent assault without consent of another, indecent assault, forcible compulsion, simple assault, harassment, subjecting another to physical contact. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's true.
I didn't do any of that. I promise you that.
Look,
Hey, I understand. And
really, here, we're not interested in it. This is just, you were wanted out of Pennsylvania. And all we're doing here is determining whether you are in fact John Akey.
Right.
If you are, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for Pennsylvania to come get you.
Right.
We normally give them 2 weeks to come get you from the day that you waive extradition, which is today. Are you waiving formal extradition?
Yeah.
Okay, so as of today, they have 14 days to come get you, and if they don't come get you by that time, Harris County will release you, okay? All right, good luck. Good morning, guys.
morning.
All right, offer please, Your Honor. You got Mr. Cuellar, Mr. Gunthorpe, and Mr. Tucker. Mr. D, if you'll step on this side
Yes, sir.
for me. So you got Mr. Gunthorpe and Mr. Tucker.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Allen has Mr. Cuellar.
No, I don't think I have time yet.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir, to the judge. Yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Gunthorpe is on the record.
Is that Ramona?
Yes.
Are we doing this on the record?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. One of my clients has a felony. He's on felony parole.
Okay, hold on, let me just sign this, and then we'll, so tell me when you want to go on the record, Ramona. And is it for Gunthorpe, I'm assuming?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so let's do that first and get you out of here.
Okay.
Order of the court, going on the record, hold all conversations.
Today is October 7th. It's approximately 10:32 in the morning. And before me, I have, for the defense,
John Dixon.
state,
Alex Macias.
okay. What we have is we have a Hakeem Khalif Gunthorpe, cause number 252-6467. Mr. Gunthorpe, you are charged with theft. Misdemeanor theft, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. It looks to me that you guys have worked out an agreement, and the reason that we're doing this on the record, Mr. Gunthorpe, is, believe it or not, for your protection, because from what I understand, you're on parole, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so
No, sir, to the
Yes, sir.
judge.
Yes, sir.
it's okay. So what happens is when you're on parole, you're supposed to behave yourself. And when you don't, and when you pick up new cases, a multitude of things can happen. They can issue a blue warrant, meaning that you are stuck in custody until you have a hearing, a parole hearing. If a blue warrant has not been issued, then you need to understand that by pleading guilty to this offense now, it can be used to revoke your parole. Now, they may revoke it, they may not revoke it, they may send you to ISF. I don't know. But you need to understand that there are more consequences than the average person, because being on parole, it can affect your parole status. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You still want to go forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You give up a lot of rights, and this applies to all three of you guys. You give up a lot of rights by entering the agreement today. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you guys are not citizens, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never undo this. This isn't like Target where you don't like it, you can just return it. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You cannot take it off after that. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you guys want to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Gunthorpe, on your theft case, you've worked out 126 days in Harris County Jail with 42 days credit. Is it enhanced? It's alleged here that you had a prior unauthorized use of a motor vehicle out of the 338th Judicial District Court. Is this true or untrue? All right. How do you plead to the offense?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I will sentence you to the agreement, sentence you to 126 days in jail, give you credit for the 42 days that you've done. The enhancement is true. Good luck to you, Mr. Gunthorpe. Okay, off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Mr. Cuellar, are you on probation or parole at this time?
Parole.
Oh, I guess we're gonna do this one on the record too. Is he your
Not
client?
mine, Your Honor.
This is mine, yeah.
Okay, that's right. You also need to understand that by being on parole,
Sorry, Judge, which one is this?
this is Cuellar.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want to do this on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you back on, Ramona?
Yeah.
Okay, so in Mr. Marco Antonio Cuellar's case, cause number 252-6210, he is charged with misdemeanor theft as well. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. He has advised us that he is also on parole as well. Did you say a blue warrant in this case has actually been issued though?
He's
Right?
currently on hold.
Okay.
Has, parole right now, Your Honor.
Now, for purposes of the record, can you identify yourself?
Alan Williams for the defense.
And Alex Macias for the state.
All right, so you've been advised of your rights, Mr. Cuellar. Did you want to, how do you plead in this office? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
I will find you guilty and I will sentence you to 30 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 2 days that you've done. It's enhanced as well.
Yes, I have a copy here.
Okay, it says here that you are enhanced with your attempted burglary of a motor vehicle out of county court at law number 5 from March of this year. Is this true or untrue that you had this?
True.
Okay, true to the enhancement as well. All right, guys, I wish you two the best of luck. And lastly, you are Mr. Tucker.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tucker, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. And you have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 44 days that you've done.
Yes, sir.
You need to understand that there comes with this, though, an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that you can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this plea bargain. You pick up a gun, that in and of itself is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year.
Yes, sir.
Knowing this, do you still want to go forward with this?
Yes, sir.
All right, how do you plead to the assault, sir?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty, sentence you to the time. If there are any enhancements in your case, they will be abandoned. Guys, best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, go ahead and go right through that door for me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ramon.
You're welcome, Jack.